Spotlight series with Next Big Deal Hub.
Hello beautiful people, my name is 𝗙𝗹𝗹𝗶𝗹 and I welcome you to Spotlight series with Next Big Deal. Today we'll be visiting the market and we'll be interviewing someone that has been in the business for a whole lot of years, over 20 years. Oladuks TopNotch Integrated. What does she do? She sells lace, Aso-Oke, she sells purse, she sells jewelries and a whole lot of that. Let us go to meet Oladuks Integrated and let us ask her critical questions, how she started, what she has done, and how she is able to still keep up at this time after spending so much years in the business.
Spotlight series with Next Big Deal Hub.
Welcome once again to Spotlight series with Next Big Deal. Good afternoon, ma. How are you doing?
Good afternoon.
What's your name, ma?
My name is Alhaja Rahmat Overcame.
Okay, I think that is beautiful, Alhaja. Okay, ma. So, what is the name of this business, ma?
Oladuks TopNotch Ventures.
Can you tell us what you sell? Everything that you sell, ma?
Sell shoes, bags, purse, Aso-Oke, jewelry. That's all I sell.
How did you start this business, ma?
I started, let me say, over 40 years ago. I started with jewelry. Yeah, I do take it to offices, banks. I had a little small shop then. With that, started growing till alhamdulillah.
Did you start in this market?
No.
Which market did you start from?
I started at Oriwo Road, along very close to Obale Market.
Okay, Ikorodu here. So why did you move to this particular market, ma?
Let me say around 9 years ago.
9 years ago. Is there any special reason why you moved there? Is it that sales was not...
Sales went very slow there, so I have to move forward again.
Okay. So now that you're in this market, how's the sales been for you, ma?
Thank God, alhamdulillah. It's growing.
Like, why did you choose the jewelries, the accessories business in itself?
The Aso-Oke was from my grandmother, my great grandmother.
Oh,
that is what she
is a business you heredited?
Yes.
Okay, so that's like a major strength for you to go into the business. What was the major drive which you feel like it's a business you want to continue, ma?
Because I'm selling and the business is doing, so I'm happy.
So, ma, would you like to share with us any major challenge you have faced in this business and how were you able to overcome it, ma? There's a major challenge in her story which touches my heart so much, and that is when she went to Dubai to buy some amount of goods, 327 kg, and she lost to them. That is a whole lot of millions now, and I feel so bad. But how was she able to get up? How was she able to continue? Was she able to survive? And how did she maintain till getting to this level in which her business is still multi-million this day? Let us hear from her.
The challenges that I faced was when I was traveling to Dubai. I bought a goods of 327 kg. The goods was missed from the agent that I gave it to help me to send it to Nigeria. Till today I did not find the goods. Around 1997.
Wow. Around 1997, you lost goods of 327 kg. That is like how much, ma?
Then it was like 2.7.
That it was about 2.7. About now it will be what, over 30 million. Very well, because of the exchange rate and everything, ma. How were you able to overcome it that now you can look back, you can thank God, and you are glad for how far you have come?
With the favor of God, I just tried and worked harder, then take a loan to balance myself up, and now I'm happy, I'm up.
So what is one motivation you want to give to them as a key to succeed in business, ma?
When you know how you do any business, you have challenges, but when the challenges comes, you move closer to the Lord and work harder.
So hard work and God factor is one thing you can say have made you successful in this business. Those are the key two important things. What do you like the best about your business, ma? What do you like most about it?
I love my business because without this I can't do anything.
Anything else
I can't, because I love my business.
If there is, let's say there is an organization or an agency that just wants to give you money, they are inspired by your story and they just want you to get better, would you accept it, ma?
Yes.
If there's like a wish you have for this business, what would the wish be, ma?
Maybe I will ask one of my sons to to come into the business.
Can you also supply in large stocks, ma, in and out of the country?
I do that.
So is there a limitation? Can you only supply your goods to only African countries, or maybe even to Europe and other parts of the world, man?
It's only in African countries
that you can supply in for now.
One major thing she wish is that one of our sons is going to join the business. Of course, with her, she is not certain that is going to happen because all of them are doing well and they feel they really do not need the business. But what will happen to the Aso-Oke business and the family? Well, God knows, this is just to challenge entrepreneurs. We really do not need to do away with family businesses. As far as it is profitable, we can still keep that alongside with every other thing that we do. Thank you so much for joining us on today's episode of Spotlight Series with Next Big Deal. I believe it's always amazing and you always look forward to joining us. My name is 𝗙𝗹𝗹𝗶𝗹. Stay tuned till we meet some other time. Do not change and make sure you follow us on our platforms and you subscribe to our channel. Thank you.